Right guys, for today's video we will fix one of the video card of the arcade machine. It's a shoot down video arcade machine, so watch this and share this video. So if you like, share and subscribe. Of course, hit notification bell guys for you to get notified to all my upcoming videos for slot and arcade gym. Let's do this. Right guys, so we already removed the cover with this sapphire video card. Then it's also remove the 4 screws. So there you go. So the cause of overheating, because it's already dried the paste, so this is the cause of overheating. So it's metal to metal, so there is no any more protection. So what we're gonna do, so it's either way, you gonna clean this one or not to clean, or you just have to put the paste in the middle. It's blinking, or if it's giving music, yeah, it's good. So the only problem for this one is the overheating. There's no video signal. So see, my T-ball is now the repair section now. My office table. So I bought the paste in China. So there's also, see, a lot. Nice, very nice, huh? Complete set. Very nice. Here's also like it's a syringe. There's also a brush. So let me call DC because I found the brush. So someone is watching me here. DC, come here. I will give you brush. It's a new brush. So let's see if still here the paste. Where's the paste? You know what, DC? I ordered the paste in China, and it came out like, give me like this. So guess what? A nice brush, yeah?
It's the same.
Yeah, you can throw that one actually. It's already dirty, but still can use.
You can use, just not to wash.
See, look at the difference. So we have a lot of the brush like this. It's inside the box behind me. Look for the box. Look for that one like this. Then we can give to them. There's also a wipe, oh, see, for the wet wipes for the cell phone. But the thing is, I don't have that.
What's that? Looks
It's
like a
I don't know if there. Yeah, here. So this is the one, guys. So yeah. So this is the thermal paste that I bought from China. I ordered from China, guys. So it's nice because you don't have to worry about to place the. Okay, so here it's good because you just have to put like this. So this is how you fix, guys, the overheating. To put a thermal paste on top, in between of the two metals. Yeah. So you don't have to put too much because it will spread automatically when you put all close together. It's very nice. So this is how you're gonna do, and just put it back, guys. You just have to put it back, but making sure that it's you put it back properly. Otherwise, it can cause overheat again. Place it back now. Where is my screwdriver here? So by the way, guys, this is for the shoe down machine, arcade machine, video card, video graphic card. So to all aspiring technicians, shout out to all of you aspiring slot and arcade technician, gym technician. So where's my other bolt? It's missing. Where are you? I can't remember. Should be down. There's no magnet. So I guess it out. All right. Let's put it back. So guys, shoe down is out of service because of no video signal from the computer. Biruin mo guys, napaka-crumpled na yung ano doon, may nagtanggal ng cable tie doon, hindi pinalik ng maayos. Biruin mo yung gano'n, joke lang. Dapat kasi pag nagtanggal kayo ng ano, if you remove something, you have to put it back. Okay? So it's working now guys. This shoe down now. Look at that. It's working. Look at that. Woo.